Hello. Today I have an unboxing for you and a little demonstration. Remember when I put my onion seedlings in there, I said that I decided to order one of the watering mats from Lee Valley. And so it came here a couple days ago. Fire starter. If I had a shredder, I'd put it in the compost. But since I don't, most of it goes to fire starter. So here's the mat. That's an empty box. Instructions. It comes with this black plastic mat to go underneath it, but since I've got plastic down there already, I'll use that upstairs. Now, as I said, it's 3 feet across. And 7 feet long. Now this is the reason why I wanted to have either felt or that one to go here. You can see on there, this one is drying out because it's not sitting flat on the wet surface. So the ones that are touching a wet surface, they're staying wet. But those cells that are not touching, that's the ones that are dried out. So I'm going to remove these and we'll continue. This lower bench, you see I have a space in back here so that the hair can circulate down that way as well. And so it's not 2 feet, it's actually 22 inches. So I'm going to cut 2 pieces of 22 inches off of this. Straighten it down your way. Just a little more. Now, if you remember, that shelf is 5 feet. And this is 35 inches wide. It might swell up to 36 once I got it wet. I can't remember. But at any rate, we'll cut this one off at 2 feet, 24 inches. Then I got 3 feet and 2 feet gives me 5, right? This needs to be pre-soaked. So you pour water on it. Sometimes you have to pat the thing down like this afterwards, but this run it looks like it's soaking in pretty good without me having to pat it. Ah, that's why it wasn't right up to the end. See, it swells up. Need to get a bit more water. So now this is the piece that I cut off the end. I'm going to cut, I want 4 tabs. So, doesn't really matter. This is about 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches I'm cutting off. Soak it. Then I'll lay it there like that. Now this has soaked the water up from the tray and into the mat. Now I have a nice flat surface on which I can place my trays that I have my onions in. Now that I have it completely covered, I was able to put some more of the onion flats down below, and I still have a little space out there. I just have the 2 onion flats up here now, and I have all that empty space right there. So I've got 3 shells there now, a nice flat watering mat on them. As I said in the previous video, the watering mat material is the best. Follow that by felt material, and if you don't have anything else, you can use 100% cotton, which 100% cotton is what I'm going to be using upstairs in that shelf in the sunroom because I don't have anything else. But I'll be just using pots on that shelf. There won't be any flats on that. Hope you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you again in the next video.